Welcome back, everyone. This is Thomas Triple T Ty with another new bullish crypto analysis. Before we dig in, remember if you like the content, go ahead and smash the like, ring my bell, and hit subscribe, especially at the end. But you want to stay tuned, a lot of good info. All right, let's dive in and take a look at the crypto market and also the stock markets around the world. Need to get there we go. Still getting used to muscle memories for the new setup. Here we go. Crypto market, it's currently looking green. Looks fantastic. Bitcoin is 2.6% over on the 24-hour. Ethereum is 4.4 over. Yeah, awesome. Very nice. Let's take a look at the U.S. stock market. Very green overall. So crypto is green, stock market, U.S. stock market's green. You got technology, communication services, commercial silico. These up here are all green here. Well, not all, mostly green. Financial, little mix. Credit services, mostly green. Diagnostic research, mostly green. Medical devices, mostly green. Industrials, real estate, mostly green. More green in energy sector. They were red yesterday. Oil and gas, yeah, mostly green all over. I mean, it's really nice to see. Right here, the banks regional is more reddish, but yeah, overall looks very positive, especially ahead of the CPI print that's coming tomorrow from the Feds about inflation. So I think it's probably priced in already. We're looking at 7.2 year over year on the inflation. Just remember though, real inflation is higher. It's more like around 20 or more. All right, let's take a look at the market. Again, for those of you who are new, on the far left here, this is the U.S. Market with Bitcoin at the top. Over in the middle is the European market and also stocks, STOXX 600. Bitcoin's at the top. On the far right, Bitcoin's at the top. And this is Asia and Australia markets. So let's dive in and take a look. The green vertical line here on each column represents the market opening for today. And this is about a 7-day period. And we're looking at a 30-minute time frame on TradingView. So Bitcoin in the last 24 hours had some choppiness, but eventually went up. It's not up near its 45K mark, but it's trending up there. So that's bullish. The QQQ or NASDAQ in the last 24 hours has, as you know, the market doesn't open, but I'm tracking it from when it closed yesterday to today. So overall, in the last 24 hours, it's from yesterday to today, it's gone up and it's trending up. So positive correlation between Bitcoin and NASDAQ holds, at least for today. It hasn't been in the last few days, but it is today. The S&P 500 in the purple here, we have it going up since yesterday and continue to go up. The Dow also going up and continue to go up. This is one of the few recent days where all three are trending up. And you can see yesterday NASDAQ and S&P were trending down, and the Dow, well, if you look at it from day over day, you can see the change here. Yeah, over here too, you can see how they change. These two were going slightly up. This one went down, but it's when all three are going up. That's very positive. The Dixie US dollar index, as you can see, it's pretty much trended down in the last 24 hours, but currently it's hard to see, but it's currently trending back up. You see that? Here's yesterday right there, 24 hour, it trended down and then starting to pick back up again. So with regard to the negative correlation it has with Bitcoin, it held yesterday somewhat. Bitcoin overall went up. Dixie went down. So it held in the previous 24 hours, but currently it's not holding. So something's going to change. Either the Dixie's going to go down or Bitcoin's going to go down. We'll see. The U.S. 10-year bonds has been trending down in the last 24 hours, and it's continued to trend down. So that's interesting. I think what's going to happen is, we'll see how the stock market is doing with NASDAQ. So you have this positive correlation and you have the negative correlation, right? So which one's going to win? That's hard to say, but but something to keep in mind. Over in the European market and the stocks 600, right here this is Bitcoin again. So down here we have the UK 100 index. You can see it's trending up in the last 24 hours and pretty much continued to trend up, even though it went down for a little bit here. But overall, it's trending up. The DAX in Germany is it's going up in the last 24 hours. And the CAC from France are also going up. The stocks STOXX 600 is also going up. These four tend to run in parallel right here. So the European market has been pretty much matching Bitcoin somewhat, which is interesting, starting at least several days ago. Here, there was a divergence here, right in this day right here. But overall, they kind of follow each other. It's fascinating to me. Over here, let's take a look at the Asian market. You have the, this is, Australian. This is Australian right here. You can see in the last 24 hours, it's trending up. But you also want to look at the week. The week is back to its week high right here. So that's interesting. Here, this is the Nikkei or Nikkei. I think it's Nikkei. I'm just going to go with Nikkei from now on. The Nikkei, it's trending up in the last over 24 hours, almost 48 hours. And it's over its recent week high. So that's positive. And the KOSPI index from South Korea, it's been trending up in the last week, if you will. Of course, we have the weekend, but so that's positive. The Hang Seng from this is wait a minute. Yeah, Hang Seng's Hong Kong index. This one has been trending up in the last 24 hours, and it's at its weekly high. So overall, it looks really positive around the world as far as the equities market, and Bitcoin is trending up. So overall, very positive sentiment. At the same time, though, I would be always prepared for the downside. You never know what news may come out, so always be prepared. That pretty much covered our equities, how Bitcoin compare with equity. So let's summarize, and let me see here. Let me see if we can get this. So let's summarize. Very bullish market in crypto, and bullish in the equities market all around the world. That's pretty much it for the summary. Appreciate your time with me today, and remember, smash the like, ring my bell, hit subscribe, and leave comments in YouTube in the comment section. Peace. See you in the next video today. Bye-bye.